Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by using the recovery email option on the Google sign-in screen. Enter the account address, choose Forgot Password, and select Send Code to Recovery Email. You do this because Google verifies ownership with a second address. Once you receive the code, type it exactly. Make sure the recovery inbox is the one you actually control. If it's on a different device, pause and access it now so the next steps proceed without delay. Once you submit the recovery code, Google will ask contextual questions like last password, device used, or when you created the account. Answer as precisely as you can. These signals help Google confirm it's you. If prompted, review devices listed and approve the current one. Then create a new, unique password and confirm it. Use a passphrase or password manager. After reset, review account security settings and add a backup phone or secondary email to prevent repeat issues. To finish, run Google's security checkup and enable two-step verification using SMS or an authenticator app. You're hardening access after recovery. Sign out sessions, you don't recognize and scan recent activity for unauthorized changes. If the recovery email route fails, don't give up. Gather supporting evidence like purchase receipts, device names, or G Suite admin info, and follow account recovery prompts carefully. One key troubleshooting tip: retry recovery from a frequently used device and location. Google favors familiar devices and networks for verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.